video is called, What is a Group on the Periodic Table? A group goes up and down or vertical on the periodic table. An easy way to remember that is group has the word up in it. Also, when we write it, we're going to write it like this, because groups go up and down or vertical on the periodic table. Don't forget we have the word up. This is an example of all the different groups in the periodic table. Now this right here, these elements are called transition metals, and they don't like to follow the rules. So whenever we're working with the periodic table, we are going to ignore these. But if we look at all the other colored ones, each one signifies its own group. And look, we have group written up and down on the periodic table. All groups have similar chemical properties, for each group has the same number of valence electrons. Let's take a look. This group right here in red, that's group 1A. That means that group 1 has 1 valence electron. Okay? Let's take a look at group 2. Group 2 has 2 valence electrons in it. Now remember, we're going to ignore this 3 through 12. They don't like to follow the rules. We're going to skip over to this yellow group. Now it's called group 13. However, we have 1 and 2 over here, and we need to continue. So this group has 3 valence electrons. And if we continue, the group in green has 4. The group in blue has 5 valence electrons. The purple group has 6. The pink group has 7 valence electrons. And the last group in gray has 8 valence electrons. So groups go up and down or vertical on the periodic table, but they also tell us how many valence electrons are in each group. So, groups go vertical on the periodic table, and this is how we're going to write them. And we're going to remember it because it has the word up in it, so it goes up and down. And each group has the same amount of valence electrons, and it's different for each group. You got it.